dance across the floor.
Don't crash it.
This one's
Takes a lot of practice to go slow down. Like go really slow down. Oh, don't cut it out all the way. Just lower the throttle a little bit.
Ballerina's on stage. They are
How do you move your arm?
point. When she's older and her feet are stronger, she will begin practicing.
Okay, take off. Slow, slow.
Girls
Oops.
begin in points around
That's for the throttle. That's to go back and forth.
Point shoes for a few minutes at the end of their ballet class. As their bones and their muscles strengthen, they will wear their point shoes for longer periods of time and do more difficult steps. The box is the front of the shoe, which is very stiff.
I saw people from my side who have clicks.
Right. Yeah.
Look, it's tearing it.
Whoa! Don't do that.
Hearing something else. Can I do